Starting your own YouTube channel is the best decision you will ever take, and it requires nothing but just your phone and a Google account. In this video, I will show you how you can create or how you can start your own YouTube channel using your phone. And in the part 2 of this video, I'm going to show you how to do the same. That is how to create your own YouTube account or how to start your own YouTube channel using a laptop. Not to talk much, let us get straight into it. Let me show you how to start your own YouTube channel using just your phone. That is the phone you are using to watch me. How you can start your own YouTube channel and begin posting. Let's get into it. Starting your own YouTube channel or creating your own YouTube account using your phone is very, very easy. All what you need to do is, can you see this? Go to your phone, go to the YouTube app. This one as seen here, I know you already have this app because that's what you're using to watch this video. Click on it, open it. It's going to bring you here. Look for these icons. Can you see home, short, the plus icon, subscriptions, then you? Can you see this? Home, short, plus icon, subscriptions, then you click on you. It's going to bring you here. Can you see? It's going, your channel name is going to pop up, or your profile picture. If you have one, it's going to show here, but if you don't have any, that's okay. I'm going to show you in one of my videos how you can also upload your profile picture here. Then your name is going to pop up here. Your name is going to show. Once you already have the YouTube app, it means you have the YouTube account. Like, it means you can start creating videos. You are eligible to start creating videos on YouTube. This is my own as seen here. There is switch account, Google account, history, and the other things. What do we need to do? The next thing, once you open your YouTube app, when you come here, come to this place. Can you see this view channel? Click on view channel. It's going to bring you here. Now, this is your channel. This is you. This is your channel. Because you already have the YouTube app, you have that YouTube channel. This is yours. This is your page. This is everything here where you'll be creating videos, where you're going to be posting when you want to go live. This is where, like, anything you do on YouTube is going to show here. Can you see? There is home, there is post, there is even here manage videos. Let's read this. Create content on any device. It says upload and record at home or on the go. Everything you make public will appear here. Can you see? Yeah, this is like your house, your YouTube home, your YouTube house. Yeah, it's even here. See, home. Next is create. You click on create. Can you see this? Click on create. Yeah, so these are the 4 things you can do on YouTube. You can create a short, you can upload a video, you can go live, and you can create a post. There are other beautiful things here that I'm going to be revealing to you as time goes on. I'm going to show you how to create shorts, how you can upload videos, how to go live, how to create a post, like a lot of things here to learn. Now, our main focus was on how to start your own YouTube channel. So you have seen that just by you having the YouTube app, you already have the YouTube channel. Like, you can start creating videos, posting, uploading, and doing whatever you want to do on your YouTube page. Next thing, like you can see, there's nothing I have here. This is mine. There is nothing. This is like an example I want to show you guys. So this is mine. There's nothing here. Next thing you have to do is you have to record a video. You can still use the very phone to record your video, or you can use a camera. Once you record that video, you have to edit it. But if you don't want to edit it, if you think your video is good enough for you, for the public to see, then you go on to upload it. But for those who don't know how to edit, I'm also going to make a video showing you how to edit your video, how to upload, like I said, how to create shorts, how to edit that video, how to upload. Okay, once you've recorded your video, and if you're sure everything is okay, like everything is okay with you, and you can post that video. What do you need to do? Let's say you've recorded a video. Let's say I've recorded my video and it's on this phone. Next thing is come to create. Click on create. Can you see? Click on upload a video. click on upload a video. It's going to bring you to your gallery, to all your things. These are mine. Then let's say this is the video we want to upload, this one. Then we click on it. You just click on the video that I want to upload. I click on this one, and there we go. This is it. This is my video. This is the video that I want to upload on YouTube. So the next thing we'll have to do, because this video is less than 1 minute, it is a short. So if you want, let's say it's a short, you can come here to this place. Can you see this AA? You write something. Let's write whatever. Let's say God is good. So this is what people will see on your short. Yeah, so that's it. You click on this is it. Okay. Yeah, you can even shift it, like you can move it around. This is God is good. You can do a lot. Like I'm going to show you how to do a lot of things. You can, like, you can make it bold. Come here to this one, change colors. You want black? Do you want red? Do you want, sorry, do you want yellow? Do you want like any color? Do you want it like more bolder? Like yeah, you see, as I'm doing, it's changing styles. Yeah, so that's it for the short. Next is we are done. You come here to next. This is exactly what you do with your video, uploading long forms. You can still use the same strategy. You can use the same steps in order to upload a long video. So you click on next here. It's showing processing. I said this may take a moment. Yeah, so it's going to bring you here. Can you see? So you can capture your shot, like add the title. So you can also do this to your long form video. This is a short, like this video was less than 1 minute, so that's why it turned into a short. But if it was more than 1 minute, you will see everything is the same. Just keep watching. I'm going to show you in my upcoming videos how to upload a video, like a long form video, and also how to upload a short. Also show you how to recreate other people's shots. So this is it. You come here, your name will appear here, visibility is public. You choose your location, select your audience. Always make sure your audience is, if it's for kids, you say yes, it's made for kids. If it's no, you click on no. Yeah, so you come back here. Okay, you come back here. Yeah, so if there's a related video, like I'm going to show you guys everything here, like all of these have a meaning and a say, but today our focus was on how you can upload a video on YouTube. It's simple. You just click on upload and your video will be made public for people to watch. So that's it, guys, for this video. The next part, this is part 1 of part 2. The next video I'm going to make, I'm going to show you how you can also start the same YouTube channel or create your own YouTube channel using your laptop.